Hey, if you want to add website analytics to your Shopify store, you might be thinking Google Analytics, but I'll show you a better and more privacy-friendly alternative. So here's how to set up simple analytics on your Shopify store in under 2 minutes. The first thing we're going to do is go to simpleanalytics.com and just log in or create an account if you don't have one already. Now on the dashboard, let's click on Add Website. And this is my Shopify store, so I'm just going to copy that URL. I'm going to put it in here, enter your website domain name, so put in yours, and then click on Add Website. Just click on HTML, and then click on this copy button, or you can of course just highlight and copy it. Let's go across to Shopify now, and on the dashboard under your sales channels on the side, click on Online Store, and it should automatically select themes here. Across where I've got my current theme, I'm going to click on these 3 dots, then click on Edit Code. Now in the sidebar here, look under Layout and then click on Theme.liquid. Open this up. Now there's a whole lot going on here. Don't worry about that. Just scroll all the way to the bottom. You're going to look for the open bracket /body and closing bracket. And just before that, just paste what you copied earlier. And in the top right, let's click on Save. And that is it for that part. Now we can go back to Simple Analytics and just click on I installed the script. Now just waiting to pick up that script. One thing you can do to kind of hurry this along is to go to your site and just refresh it. Now we can go back to Simple Analytics and you can see that we're good to go. It's been successfully installed. So now you'll start seeing page views come through. You can see where your visitors are coming from, the referrals, which pages they're looking at, which devices they're using, and so much more. If you want to explore more of Simple Analytics features, you can check out our other videos or you can go to simpleanalytics.com. If you have any issues getting this set up, please drop a comment and I'll help you out. Thanks a lot for watching.